The mysterious brown pelican, swimming about on a calm, sunny, beautiful tropical day on coastal Florida. He lives part of a bird colony amongst the serene sands of the pristine Floridian coastline. He's the biggest of the birds in the colony, with a 7-foot wingspan, weighing in between 6 to 8 pounds. These are extraordinarily large birds in comparison to his neighbors. They are known for catching the eyes of many with their expertly precise glides close to that ocean water. However, pelicans didn't always dominate the shorelines that we know now. There was a time when you would scarcely see them at beaches or marinas, and there was a really dark time when Louisiana lost all of its pelicans. These brown pelicans were at the near collapse of their existence, known as extinction. In the 70s, thanks to the release of a pesticide known as DDT, it caused major reproductive harm on the brown pelicans, nearly wiping them out. It caused brittle eggshells, which would break before the pelicans were ready to be born, resulting in the near collapse of their population. Thankfully, the United States banned the use of DDT due to its destructive nature towards our natural environments. The pelican population exploded back, peaking in 1995, but since then it has halved, mainly due to habitat loss, disturbing nesting grounds, and loss of food. These are beautiful birds that should be preserved. There are many other birds in the bird colonies that surround the pelicans, one of them being the ring-billed gull. Found in a wide variety of habitats, they occur much of inland North America, found usually near fresh or salt water. Here lies an opportunist. The ring-billed gulls are known for stalking restaurant floors and taking advantage of any nearby food source. They are extremely resourceful. Bow ditchers. They dot the sandy coastline, standing on one leg as monks. They do this to minimize heat loss. Birds with short legs usually pucker on down, whereas most birds with tall legs bring the legs up to the body and press it along their bellies to minimize the heat loss in their appendages. Sandpipers dot and roam the vast beaches, searching the endless waters for invertebrates and small crustaceans. These small guys are resilient and resourceful foragers. Black skimmers make the bulk of the colony. Their population is 65 to 70,000 in North America, and they are ranked as a species of high concern. Among the black skimmers are another bird species called the royal tern. These birds have gray wings, a black top of their head with an orange beak, Their population size is much larger than the black skimmers, ranging from 100,000 to 150,000 birds in North America. These birds species is classified as least concern and remains today very stable. Alrighty guys, that's going to conclude it for today. One big giant announcement. We have surpassed that 1,000 subscriber mark, which is awesome. I couldn't even imagine this happening 3 months ago. So thank you to everybody that has hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and commented. I've even met a few of you that have watched my videos just out and about, and y'all are all awesome people. So thank you again. Let me know if you guys like this kind of style of video, and stay tuned because a lot of great things are happening to this channel. So if y'all haven't already, hit that bell notification icon. That will let you know when I upload. There are tons of great things that are going to happen to this channel. So thank you guys for watching, and y'all have a great day.